welcome back to Melo Trade channel. In this channel, I'll show you the breakdown of what happened during New York session for Bitcoin, and we can talk a little bit about altcoin. But for today and for always, we talk about the big daddy Bitcoin. So what happened is we woke up to a big dump in the morning. I didn't do an update today in the morning, guys, because I was distracted with something else. So I'm reviewing the day here with you guys. Today was a down trading day for me, but learning from the mistake. I saw the bullish divergence. Sorry, I saw the bullish divergence here, and according to that, I'm in one of the trades as of right now. Um, I'm trying a new strategy for the 12 minutes, and I'm gonna keep doing this strategy. If the strategy is good, I'm gonna post it here and discuss it with you guys. But as of right now, it's a new strategy. According depends on go by the market cipher, bearish divergent or bullish divergent. But I don't want to share it with anybody until I know it's a profitable. So and we go from there. Um, so basically, I'm in trade right now as a swing trade, uh, and we'll see what's gonna happen. Uh, I can show you. Let me see if this come up here. Let's see. No, nothing comes out of. Yeah, nothing comes up in here. Okay, no problem. Uh, all right, so let's discuss what happened today. We woke up, and as you see, the thumbnail and the title of the video is Institutional Dumping. So, what happened? We had a last week. If we go back to last week, if you guys remember, we had this circle here, and I told you this is good. Uh, the only problem, the breakout from the circle and coming back into the parallel channel, it was on a week where it's a Thanksgiving week. So institution wasn't involving in the push. And as soon as they came back today, which is usually they take a week off for Thanksgiving, and happy Thanksgiving and happy December 1st for everybody, whoever celebrated. If you don't celebrate it, I don't know what you're doing in your real life. But as soon as the institutional money came, they said, no, 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 this is nothing serious, and we need to mark the price down. And as you guys know, I have the path here. Nothing changed. I want to make a low, because I'll tell you why I want to make another low. Because if we go to the 4 hour guys, what happened is we didn't make any diversion here, while the money flow, it turns back into the green. So what we need now, we either need a trigger wave with the green money flow to push us all the way. If we look here, you have basically two scenario. You either gonna bounce from the 786 618, and then you go with the trigger on the 4 hour with the money flow is green, which is that's one scenario, and you have the VWAP is really pushing. Scenario number two, you fail to do that and you come deeper, while um, the price come deeper, make another low, and then you come up a little bit, you made another low, while you have time to make a deep wave and another wave, while you have the market cipher money flow come down and then come up small. So the wave of the red it get very smaller, the next shallow wave, and that will mark a nice bottom and is gonna push us. So this is the two scenario that I'm looking for. So I'll wait for the trigger here, and basically I want the trigger while the price comes above the 618. So I'll wait to see these two things. I want to see a trigger wave, which is a green dot confirm, Bitboy green dot confirm, just like this one, just like this one. I want to see it confirm while the price above the 618. If that happen, then I think we're gonna go higher than this, because basically this is the 4 hour. Let's go back to Binance right here. This is the 4 hour high. We can go to the USD chart. Yeah, let's go to the USD chart. Basically, this 4 hour high, we basically just SFP it right here, and then we dumped. We didn't make any high, we didn't close, blah blah blah. We did not do nothing. So, and that happened on the weekend as well. So, um, we basically disrespected the 618 from here. So there was no point of it. But we are bouncing from the 786618. Basically on Binance, I just saw we hit the 786. No, we didn't hit it here on Bitcoin. Let's see, did we hit the 6 on Maxi? How come I saw it got hit on no, it didn't get hit. So let's go back to Binance. What's going on with Binance? Binance is being like there's something going on. The last couple of days has been. Oh, that's the wick. Sorry, guys, that's the wick. Yeah. So, let's go back here. So what happened is we have institutional dumping. They didn't want the price to go up, and they said we weren't here, so all this pump is just generate liquidity for us to grab. So that's how they're dealing with everything. So I want this to happen first, or we're gonna go back to 786. I want to trigger wave. Until then, I'm not gonna do anything, and I wait for lower. If that didn't happen, the 618 didn't come right here, and as you guys know, as you guys notice here, this is the 886 of the whole move from this low. And the nice thing about it, guys, we did not touch the 886. When we don't touch the 886, this is a good sign for us to go up because we didn't touch it. If we touch 886 right here, it's increase the proper probability to go to the low, but we didn't touch it. So, and we are basically fighting with the 618, I believe. I'm just gonna do the 618786. Yeah. So we didn't even reach the 618, and we are fighting the 786. So hopefully we get pushed above the 786. I don't want it to touch the 886, because if we touch 886, 90% probability or something like that to go to the 74. And if we go to the 74, we break the weekly, and this is a bear market for you guys. In the morning though, in the morning, basically we closed that CME gap. Let me put it back. We came back and we closed that gap right here. So we closed that gap, we went under it, we made an hour high, we went under it, and now we're going up. If we break that 15, because now is the 15, basically, or the basically the 1 hour. I can put the 1 hour. The 15 is let me see, where's the 15? The 15, we kind of internally break the 15, but we need this to break as of right now. Right here, we need this right here to go to break in externally on the 15. On the 1 hour though, yeah, I like to see above this pivot right here. But if we attack that 15, we go to the 1 hour, no problem. If we pumped here and we chilled here, we go to the 1 hour. Hopefully Asia can push us. But mainly we need to go above uh, the 618. That's a given. We have to go above the 618 right here to be a confident that we're gonna attack higher. We're gonna go higher. But nonetheless, we watch and we see and we take the trade one by one. So right now, let's go back. Let's basically, I have a down day today. So I'm just gonna trade with you guys as of what I've done live according just this strategy, because today I did extra and I did over trading, and I don't like it because it's not my strategy. But I got carried away because I got a pre-market. I enter a trade and I got a big loss. So on a different strategies, not this strategy, it's not the order block strategy, 3 minute order block, but on a different strategy, and I got a big loss. I so it messed up my day. So I just want to uh, repeat and review the day with you guys and just do my 3 minute strategy, and then we go from there. Hopefully that will tell me that I should get rid of a lot of strategies and just stick with this, and just one more for the swing trade, and I'm okay with that swing trade strategy. I think it's gonna go, but it's not, it doesn't happen every day. That's why I don't trade it. But I want something. I want movement. I want something, because that my this is my trading personality. I can, like, I can wait for a trade, but I need to trade a day. When I see these movements, I need to get involved. But I need to know how to get involved safely and turn it in my probability of winning. So that's what I'm working on, and we're gonna see what's gonna happen if I just traded my strategy and my strategy only. So let's go to the 3 minute here. And as I marked here, we had basically at 9:30. This is 9:30. Yeah, this is 9:30. So basically, what we had we're above the SR flip. We had 15 minute right here. Let me put that 15 minute right here, and I had 15 minute low right here. Just this is the actually, yeah, we made a low and then we made a high. Yeah, so this 2 15 minutes. So basically, either we need this to go or this to go, and we know where we're going. As of right now, we're structurally bullish. So let's see what's again. Oh, this is not, this is the 3 minute, guys. Sorry. What the hell I'm doing? The 15 minute, basically, yeah, the 15 minute was this high, uh, and the low for the 15, yeah. So the low was here, and if we break this, it will be a bullishly break of structure. I'm just gonna put a line there, and we go from there. So structurally going to the upside on the internal. Uh, so let's mark these order blocks right here. So this is one, and this is two. That what we gonna look for as of right now, because we are structurally bullish on the 3 minute. All right, nice pump for Bitcoin. Let's go and let's see what happened over this. This order block here, it's early on the market open, so I'm not sure, but I'm just gonna mark it. And I said I need to mark these order blocks um, for the 15 high, just the last one before the 15 high right here. Um, we have this guy here. I'm not sure if the other exchange have it, but I'll just keep it there for now. And basically we got rejected from that as of right now, but I'm not gonna give it any importance. And this one, I know it's I'll put them a week because we're coming to the upside, so just for me to know. Okay, perfect. Let's go and see what's happening. Okay, so off the bat we have low, took SFB the low and SFB the high. And that's a typical for market open. So they just took liquidity from here and took liquidity from here and took liquidity from here, and no direction as of right now. So nothing in here. So this order block, no bueno. Let's see if we're gonna touch this one. We didn't break down here to mark this order block, so I'm just gonna leave it unmarked for now and see. So we went up, we closed in this order block, so we disrespected it and we made another high. So we made another high, order block staying the way it is. We kind of touch that slightly and we close like uh we kind of, yeah, we kind of like disrespected it, but we closed way like down. Let me see. Yeah, and we didn't close blue, just on the on that exchange. So I could have take that order block, but I'm not going to, because I have a exchanges divergence. So basically one close order block, one doesn't close an order block, so I'm not gonna touch it for now. Let's see if we have another trades. Basically nothing here. We didn't break structure yet. Nothing yet. Up and down, go around, just choppy. And now we have a break, early break of structure here. Basically we close under it and we disrespected this order block. So no problem. We could have marked this order block right here. I'm not sure if the other exchanges have it as an order block. Let me uh, what time was that? 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. 11 o'clock. 10 o'clock. No, not this one. Wow. So we had an 10 o'clock. No. So yeah, see, the other exchange did not have it. So I'm just gonna leave it for now as an order block, and we see. We already came up with fraud running it. So, and see, this is the last order block. We came and we already pumped, and then they gave you another and then they come and they give you another opportunity to come in. This is what I call a bull trap, but nonetheless I'm just gonna take it as Yeah, invalidation here. I'm just gonna take it as a scalp, and I just wanna go front run that low right here. Yeah, that's it. That's all I want from it, and I'll close all of it. So no. So basically, I needed to close this in a loss. Okay. So because it's closed in the order block, and again, I don't like it. We already got the pump of the order block, so I don't like the second chance. Yeah, and we're heading for the low, so that close was good. Just basically a good close because they really came for that. So again, we need to learn this. You get a touch, you get the pump. So basically, you had the pump for the order block, and you get an engulfing candle. So no, not in my books anymore. And I need to put it into my um, I need to put it into my trading rules. First touch order block only. First touch order block only. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, so basically we made that order block here. We put that order block and we break into the downside, so that will be strong OB. This OB got front run, I think. Basically, this OB I think got front run here, but it touched on the exchange, so I didn't take it. And we continue. Yeah, basically we've taken the low. SFP is not there, so if you take that, you could get chopped. Um, Nothing there. And you're coming V-shaped recovery. You don't have anything until there. But the low, it's kind of, let's see if the low gonna hold you. Yeah, you kind of rejected from the 6-6 CME gap. You're making a pattern. This pattern I like. I like to trade this pattern. You came, you get rejection, you pushed again, you couldn't even go above, and then another one just took the liquidity and then you engulfed. I like it, but it's not one of my strategies. So let's mark this as a weak order block, and basically we see the reaction out of it. Stalin. I don't know if I should tell you to take this trade. Um, we're against trend, okay? So I don't think you should have taken that trade. I don't think so until you take that high. Like you take that high and then you look for this order block to take. Uh, I'm not sure because I'll tell you why. Because we did not get bounce. We didn't respect that or the order block, and we're below the daily. We below the naked point of control. So we didn't really bounce from a big level for us to take that trade, but I'm just gonna take it. But you're not supposed to take it. This is not from the strategy because you're against market structure. um Invalidation basically to the low. and basically you're looking for this trade right here. um yeah, so no matter what happened, uh like you're not supposed to take it, and as you see, you're against. um Basically you would have closed the trade here because this is closed in the order block. So yeah, so it would be another losing trade, but you're not supposed to take it because you're against market structure. Now this one, this order block here, you could have taken it. Mm, but you would have closed it here. So yeah, you would have closed in a loss here. So a lot of, yeah. So I told you it's not a good trading day today. This is not something you should have take because you're against trend. This one though, you made a low. You basically got bounced from the order block. So basically you should have made, yeah, you should have made another low and then you come back for the order blocks. But you didn't, so you're not supposed to take it. That's the thing. Yeah, you basically got rejected. You got bounced from that order block, strong bounce. Uh, and then you came up with volume. Probably you should have just, even if you take it, you would have been closed it in here. Yeah, yeah. So that would make us, I don't know if I should tell you to take that again because you didn't make any high. This is just a lower high to go. So now we're going to be looking for an order block. So the first one we said, where was the first one? Um, First one was, no. Where did we open? Here. So the first one we said this one, and then this one. We're not supposed to take it because it's the first hit. And then we came down, and then we bounced up, nothing. And then we came down again. So basically, we shouldn't take any trade until now. We should have, because this is second touch, and this is against trend, and this is we didn't make any low, so not continuation. But now we broke structure 3 minute to the upside, and we look for a trade. Let's mark this order block, and we see we're front running this order block here now. We're coming down. Let's see if we should have, if we supposed to take that. No, we closed into the order block, so no trade, no trade. Yes, um I have highs here, and I have the order block, but we came up with volume, as you see, yellow candle, volume, and we close into the order block. So I should not take it. Validation under here. So basically we just rinse through the order block. Yeah, I wasn't supposed to take it, so nothing. Hands. So far, hands. It's supposed to be hands so far, and the trade gonna come. Trust me. Like if you wait, the trade will come. But as of right now, your hand, nothing so far. Uh, this is basically a weak order block here. Um, SFP here. Yeah. So here is the thing. Um, it's weak because I'll tell you why. Basically, we SFP here. We did not close. If we would have closed here, we would have waited for that order block to take. It's the same exact thing as here. It's the same exact things. It's just a higher low, the SFP. Same thing. And I should have tell myself it's the same goddamn thing. And I think that one of the trade that I took, um, let's hide the CME. Let's hide that low. You know, it's a SFP. So the SFP at the low to go take that high. And structurally, we're upside. So I should have looked for long SFP, but it's not my strategy. But I should have waited for this order block. But uh, let's see. So basically, yeah, we closed under it. And I believe it was no follow through right away. So uh, because this is SFP, so this is not a high. Yeah, and I'll go to here, and then this one will close into the order block. Yeah, so exactly same thing, guys. Like lower high, patience, SFP, patience, no trades. Wow, no trades. That's what happened. If you wanna stick to the strategy, you wouldn't have any trades so far. But I believe it will come. We'll see. So this order block is gone. We're still waiting for this one because this is the last one before the high. Um, no, basically we throw run it. And even if we were looking for this order block, we closed. I'll show you guys. Even if we waited for this order block, because we have the SFP, we closed into the order block. So our order block is still here for the trade, but we got bounced from it. We're going up. We close into that order block. Beautiful. Didn't make me any uh, thinking. So I'm down. I'll leave basically the order block just to see the reaction out of it. And yeah, we were dumping from it, and I wanted to take that trade because we came and we bounced and we closed here, but it was a good trade, I believe. But I didn't take it. I don't think I did take it. Yeah. Another gave me another bounce, so the shit is holding, but we closed in it, so it's not something that I would trade. And we got the chop and we killed it. Now, when we came up here, basically what happened is we tapped into the order block, taken this liquidity, and we closed below. Okay. So structurally, we're the upside. Okay. Plus, this order block was already hit on the exchange. So I'm just going to ignore it. I know it went down. I know it went down, but I'm just going to ignore it and I'll stay with the structurally up. But now, guys, like now we SFP this guy. Now we got to go to this low. Rotation, right? SFP rotation. SFP rotation, right? So you got to pay attention to what's happening. Right now, Bitcoin is approaching VWAP. Let's see how he's gonna deal with VWAP. You guys want to see? Let me show you here. So basically, we're approaching the WAP. Let's see how the reaction gonna happen on the WAP. Well, we'll see. Let's go back to the trading. Let's go back to trading. Okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna look for basically we have an order block here and we bounce from it, but I have a SFP, so again I wasn't supposed to take it. Again, see? Let's see. Let's see where's the rotation gonna take us. So this is will be, yeah, that will be the low, not this one. For that high, and that will be the low. So we had a break here, and we have this order block here. I took this trade, but I wasn't supposed to take it. Honestly, I was just over trading today. You know, I was supposed to take it. Mm, mm, yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, structurally to the downside, so this order block got disrespected. Yeah, basically we put in this order block here. Yeah, now structurally to the upside. Still, we're allowed to go down to the order block. We allowed to go down to the order block, but looks what happened here. Structurally to the upside, basically, and we put in this order block. We closed above it, and then we came and retested it. I would like to see two candles and then come retest it, but yeah. So I guess it's a new trade for me. I never now I'm looking at it, it kind of makes sense, but invalidation is crazy. Yeah, basically invalidation to that low, and I supposed to take it to this order block right here. Wow, this shit. But it's going. So I was supposed to take it to this guy? Psst, this guy will be nice. I see the reaction. Basically, did it give me another chance? Yeah, looks like it gave me another chance to double down on the trade. Oh, that's nice. Take it to this guy. Maybe take it to these highs as a TP1. But I'll stay with this line. Just double down on it. No, now it's like now it's below my entry. Oh shit. What happened? Yeah, so we went below the entry and then we start climbing up. The only thing is we retouched that order block. So this little order block that happened here where we bounced from here, I shouldn't add up. I'm watching this one to close the trade. Yeah. Yeah. So basically we came down. Yeah, I would next time to go take that high right here. Let me see if that a good target. Let me see. If I take a trade to basically that high, yeah, that's a nice target. Yeah, because front running this guy is shit. Like there's no money in there. Taking the trade here to here, no. Yeah, to this basically this guy right here. Now I don't know if this happened first or this happened first. It would have tripped me out, but let me see. Whatever. Yeah, that's what happening now on the other screen. You can tell that. Let me show you the other screen, guys. Yeah, you can tell basically we're above VWAP. We have volume picked up right now. Uh, let's see if we hold VWAP. It looks like we're losing it. Uh, that's another good sign. Yeah, let's see if we can hold VWAP, and then we go. Let me show you the trade. No, 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 no. Bam, 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 bam. Yeah. Where's the trade? Yeah, the trade is a little bit up. Yeah, let me add it to. Let's see if I can add it to this one. No, I can't add it right now, guys. Let me show you on the exchange right here, really quick. Yeah, let me show you. I'm up basically 180, and this is the trade and the target. We go down. Full target is right here. So let's see if we can get to the full target. Looks like we're rejecting from the VWAP as of right now. Um, So let's see if we can hold, and we go. So far, I don't know. It could go both ways. But that's what I have for you guys today. If you like the content, like, subscribe. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my trading strategy and my opinion only. If you need a financial advisor, go look for one. Like, subscribe, Melo Trade. See you next time. Bye bye for now.